A mid-range mobile phone is one to look at if you want a quality smartphone without spending as much money as a high-end one. 2024 promises to be the year with a new generation of mid-range mobile phones that defy expectations and set new standards in terms of performance, design, and functionality. Discovering the perfect smartphone in the mid-range category is becoming a crucial task. The offer is getting richer and with very competitive prices. It's true that the mid-range segment is full of quality terminals, so we embarked on this guide to recommend the best mid-range mobile phones you can buy in 2024. Let's go! When it comes to getting the most out of your investment, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro stands out as the premier choice for a mid-range smartphone in 2024. Its sleek design defies expectations with a 6.7-inch screen housed in an ultra-slim body under 8mm thick and weighing less than 190 grams, making it a pleasure to hold and use. The display itself is a marvel, featuring AMO LED technology enhanced with Dolby Vision, boasting an exceptional peak brightness of 1800 nits and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate for crisp visuals. Durability is key, with Corning Gorilla Glass for protection and an included screen protector. Despite its high brightness, the integrated fingerprint sensor is a convenient addition, offsetting any concerns. Under the hood, the Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G impresses with a Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 processor, delivering reliable everyday performance and remarkable efficiency. Although the GPU may not match the CPU's power, it stands strong in the mid-range market. This is complemented by 8 GB of RAM and plenty of storage space at 256 GB. Battery life is robust with a 5100 mAh capacity and swift 67-watt charging, ensuring prolonged usage. Xiaomi's optimization strategies might affect notification delivery, but enhance battery longevity significantly. Photography capabilities are a highlight, with a 200MP main sensor accompanied by an 8MP ultra-wide and macro lens. The primary camera captures dynamic, vivid, and low-light images with striking contrast thanks to extensive editing and processing. While the ultra-wide lens and front camera meet the mid-range standards, the 4K at 30 FPS video recording on the main camera adds to its appeal, with full HD available on secondary sensors. Nice one! Up next, meet the Apple iPhone SE 3rd Gen, hailed as the top Apple mid-range phone of 2024, both by our assessment and user feedback. While the iPhone 13 Pro is renowned for its superior photography capabilities, this iteration brings cinematic mode into the mix, offering enhanced video storytelling tools for creative minds. The iPhone SE 3 retains the classic design reminiscent of the iPhone 8, building upon the legacy of iPhone 6 and 7, but with an elegant glass back. Its design ensures comfort and durability, featuring premium materials, with glass at the back and aluminum framing. Rated IP67, it's resilient enough for those unpredictably wet days, boasting a screen toughness on par with the iPhone 13. Audio quality impresses with its stereo sound, enriching the experience in videos and gaming, though it may not be the loudest. At its core, the iPhone SE 3 is a powerhouse. Imagine equipping a compact car with a high-performance sports car engine, complemented by top-tier tires. Here, the iOS 15 operates seamlessly, providing exceptional performance across gaming and multitasking activities, efficiently utilizing 4 GB of RAM. The A15 chip ensures not just high-powered gaming, but also promises extensive system updates for years to come. This model supports comprehensive iOS functionalities, excluding Face ID-related features. It includes HomeKit, customizable back taps, shortcuts, an app drawer, and intuitive navigation gestures. Despite retaining its previous generation's camera hardware, a 12-megapixel sensor, it captures impressive photos under good lighting conditions. Photo quality remains high, with natural, slightly warm color tones and without overprocessing. Powered by the A15 chip and running on iOS 15, the iPhone SE 3rd generation stands out for its refined balance of performance, durability, and user-friendly features. If you're open to splurging a bit for quality, we highly recommend the OnePlus 12R, the standout premium mid-range smartphone of 2024. Nestled within the esteemed OnePlus 12 lineup, the OnePlus 12R inherits significant technological advancements from its siblings, notably the Trinity engine, alongside a suite of hyper features. Hyper Touch, Hyper Boost, and Hyper Render. The Trinity Engine, a proprietary platform by OnePlus, enhances the OnePlus 12R CPU, RAM, and ROM efficiency. With its debut in the OnePlus 11, the 12R version takes it up a notch by incorporating AI RAM acceleration. This feature intelligently manages memory allocation, ensuring faster app launches and a smoother user interface. Another intriguing addition is the Live Lock function, which keeps up to 6 apps readily available for seamless access over 3 days. ROM Vita technology further complements these enhancements by reducing memory fragmentation, thereby elevating performance fluidity. Hyper Boost ensures a consistently engaging gaming experience by leveraging AI and machine learning to maintain stable frame rates during intensive gameplay, optimizing power usage and minimizing heat output. The heart of the OnePlus 12R beats with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, marking an improvement in CPU and GPU performance by 35% and 25% respectively, compared to its predecessor. This upgrade not only boosts processing power, but also enhances camera capabilities. Battery longevity is another key feature, with technology that extends battery life to 1,600 charge cycles or over 4 years with daily charging. A robust 5,500 mAh battery reaches full charge in just 26 minutes. Display-wise, the OnePlus 12R sports an AMO LED Pro XDR screen with LTPO 4.0 technology, measuring 6.78 inches and boasting a resolution of 2780 by 1264 pixels. It offers an adaptive refresh rate up to 120 Hz, ensuring smooth, high-quality visuals. With a peak brightness of 4500 nits and support for Pro XDR, HDR10+, HDR Vivid, and Dolby Vision, the display delivers stunning clarity and depth with intuitive tone mapping for accurate highlight and shadow depiction. For those who can stretch their budget, the OnePlus 12R is a compelling choice worth every penny. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy A54, a formidable contender in the 2024 mid-range smartphone arena. This device stands out as a notable alternative, closely trailing behind the market's top pick. The Galaxy A54 5G, inspired by Samsung's design innovations, notably mirrors the high-end aesthetics of the S23 series with its sophisticated triple camera setup and premium material composition. This approach elevates the Galaxy A54 above many of its rivals, offering a touch of luxury often reserved for pricier models. Sporting a 6.4-inch AMO LED display, the Galaxy A54 brings vibrant visuals to life, complemented by a 120 Hz refresh rate for seamless navigation and scrolling. While specifics on screen brightness are scarce, first-hand experience demonstrates its proficiency in maintaining clarity even under direct sunlight, a testament to Samsung's commitment to quality. Security features include both facial recognition and fingerprint scanning, providing efficient and reliable user access. Powered by the EXY NOS 1380 processor, the Galaxy A54 handles daily tasks with grace, ensuring smooth transitions whether you're web browsing or engaging with social media. Battery life is impressive thanks to its 5,000 mAh capacity, comfortably supporting a day's worth of use. However, the absence of a charger in the box might be a point of contention for some users. When it comes to photography, the Galaxy A54 doesn't disappoint. It boasts a primary Sony IMX766 sensor with 50 megapixels, capturing images with exceptional dynamic range and detail. A 13-megapixel wide-angle lens further enhances its photographic capabilities. Video recording is robust, supporting 4K resolution effortlessly. The front camera, too, excels in delivering sharp selfies and stable 4K video recordings, making the Galaxy A54 an attractive option for those prioritizing camera performance in their smartphone choice. Discover the Google Pixel 7a, our top pick for the best mid-range smartphone hitting the shelves in 2024. Renowned for its unparalleled camera performance, sleek design, seamless software experience, and flawless integration with Google's ecosystem, not to mention the bonus of wireless charging, the Pixel 7a is a standout choice. Its camera system sets the bar high in the mid-range category, continuing Google's legacy of photographic excellence across both premium and budget-friendly devices. With this iteration, the Pixel 7a introduces an upgraded 64-megapixel main camera, complemented by a 14-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 13-megapixel front-facing camera, all capable of capturing 4K video, with the primary sensor offering 60 FPS. What truly distinguishes the Pixel 7a's camera capabilities is not just the hardware, but the advanced processing power by the Tensor G2 chip. This synergy results in a camera that's quicker, more adept, and superior overall. Although it lacks a telephoto lens for optical zoom, the Pixel 7a leverages its high-resolution main sensor alongside Google's Super Zoom technology to achieve up to 8 times digital zoom without significantly compromising image quality. Google's meticulous attention to detail shines through in the Pixel 7a's camera features, providing excellent color accuracy, dynamic range, and noise reduction. The device supports RAW capture, photo deblurring, object removal, long exposure shots, and allows for adjustments to highlights, shadows, and color temperature with a real-time preview. A suite of tools valuable for both professional photographers and casual users alike. The Pixel 7a also impresses with its display, a 6.1-inch AMO LED screen offering full HD Plus resolution, improved brightness over its predecessor, and a refresh rate surpassing the 60Hz mark, making for a smooth and vibrant viewing experience. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.